be taking a look at the PISEN Pro 65 watt fast charger set. As you can see, it does 65 watt quick charging. It's got USB-C 2 and USB-A 2 interfaces. So this will work for MacBook, Android, iPhone, pretty much anything that has a Type-C port and supports up to 65 watt for charging. We're going to be testing it on my M1 MacBook Air. That does utilize a 65 watt charger, so this will be good to have around. Let's go ahead and get this thing opened. Alrighty, so what you get in the box is the cable itself, some documentation. It's empty. Got some documentation here. So here's the cable, and here's the power brick. You got two USB-A type ports, and then you got two USB-C type ports. So you got the charger, you can plug this in, plug it into your phone, your MacBook. You can plug it into even a Windows machine that takes Type-C and will support up to 65 watt for charging. Let's go ahead and take this off. So we got the protective cover off, and this is what it looks like. It's pretty heavy. It feels very good quality. It tells you right here, 65 watts, GAN. But like I said, the power brick feels pretty heavy. We also got the charger, which is pretty good quality. It's probably not going to fray as quick as like some of the stock ones, but basically all you got to do, it's also a pretty long cable too. Okay, it's not that long, but it's long enough for use. You could always use your own cable as well, since it's detachable. You just plug it in, and then you can plug it into your device. We're going to go ahead and plug it into my MacBook just to confirm it works. As I was attempting to get it to charge, it did finally start charging. We got an hour, 23 minutes until fully charged, which means it works just fine. Power adapter seems to be working without any issue, and it seems to be charging it pretty fast because it did go down to 72 while I was waiting for it. Sometimes with new power adapters, it can take a little bit for the power adapter to kind of figure itself out, along with the laptop figuring out the power adapters, so don't be alarmed if it doesn't immediately start charging. Great power adapter, I highly recommend it.